Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to compare two of the most popular mesh Wi-Fi systems on the market. We have the Amazon eero and the NETGEAR Orbi. If you are looking to buy a reliable and fast Wi-Fi system, this comparison video will help you choose the one that suits your needs. So let's get started. Amazon eero can cover up to 4,500 square feet of area, while the NETGEAR Orbi can cover up to 6,000 square feet with an additional satellite. Orbi offers a higher coverage area and is suitable for larger homes and buildings. NETGEAR Orbi uses Wi-Fi 6 technology, which offers a blazing fast AX 3000 gigabit speed with uninterrupted streaming, HD video gaming, and web conferencing. On the other hand, Amazon eero provides a solid, reliable performance for basic internet usage and streaming but does not offer Wi-Fi 6 technology. Both mesh systems work with any internet service provider, but eero replaces your Wi-Fi router and works with most major internet service providers, while Orbi can connect to your existing cable modem and replace the Wi-Fi router. Both the eero and Orbi systems can be set up in minutes with their respective apps. However, eero's app interface is more user-friendly and easier to navigate through, while Orbi's app offers more features for the advanced user. The eero mesh system offers automatic security updates for your network to help keep it safe and secure. Additional security features are available for a separate subscription. However, NETGEAR Orbi offers a 30-day free trial for their NETGEAR Armor security suite that protects your family's Wi-Fi with an automatic shield of security across all your connected devices. Both eero and Orbi systems are cross-compatible, allowing you to add more units, satellites, to your network and improve your coverage area. These units can be purchased separately and allow you to cater to the changing needs of your home or office. Thanks for watching. We hope our comparison video of the eero and Orbi mesh systems has helped you decide which one you want to buy. If you like the video, please leave a like and comment down below which one you are going to buy and why. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparison videos.